Okay. Children, this is your new book, Phonic Language Series. The book name is Phonic Language Series. In the short form, you will say that PLS3. PLS3. Now open your book, children. This is page number 1 and unit number 1. Children, this exercise I have explained on board in video 1. So you have to copy on this page. I hope children you will understand this page and do it properly in the guidance of your parents. We will meet again in next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and take care.